Let's assume a scenario where we would like to find the first 3 letters in a text string. Let's look at an example. Here we have a table of data in which there are some product names given. Let's find out the first 3 letters of the word Microsoft Cloud. First, select the column next to the word. Then start to type the left formula. Let's keep in mind that in Excel, always start a formula with the equals sign. Now type equals to left, open a bracket, then select the cell that contains the word. Then, put a comma, then type 3 as we need to find the first 3 letters. You can change it as you wish. Then always remember to close the bracket and press enter. See, we have the first 3 letters of the word Microsoft Cloud, which is MIC. Now double-click on the left-right corner of the cell to apply the formula to all the other cells, and you will see the first 3 words of all the product names. That was easy, wasn't it? Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.